you're watching Fashion Bombay. Today Sonu and I are out for a coffee date in Colaba in this new place called The Bella Coffee. We're having a great time. Today we'll tell you what ideally one should be wearing for a casual coffee date.
It's a fun casual date, so keep it quirky, keep it fun. Today Jasleen is wearing a pair of nice white crop denim pants.
Yeah, I think white pants we both agree are really versatile and you can throw it on whenever, day, evening, night. So when you're just going down for a coffee date or for a quick coffee run, it's very easy to just pull on white pants. They look chic, they look stylish, they look dressy too, unlike your basic blue jeans. So they're dressier than that, and suddenly the minute you can add pretty much anything on it and you will look chic and dressy.
It's difficult to wear during the monsoon, so if you want to wear it a little, fold it a bit, wear crop denims, add a pair of wedges to avoid any splitter splatter. They're perfect for every season.
Given the season, given the monsoons, I've also added this mint, a very pastel shirt, which I think goes really lovely with the weather. Another option, of course, for you is to wear the shift dress like Sonu is.
Oh, I love shift dresses. They suit every body type. I'm an hourglass. I can wear a shift dress. I can throw it on any time. I can wear it with pants, with palazzo, with bottoms, with denims, with anything, or wear it just as a dress like I'm wearing today. It's perfect. I like this one because it has these quirky pockets. I love anything with pockets. They are so utilitarian. They're comfortable. I'm feeling a little chilly. I can wear a nice blazer on top of this. Anything. It just looks perfect.
And also, with shift dresses, what happens is, because like she said, there's no real body type.
Yeah.
They're not very restrictive. You don't need belts. You don't need anything. So it's pretty much something like a sack, like a garb. You can just throw it on yourself and you look good. So you wear a big necklace and you're dressy. You don't want to be that dressy, you wear flats. You want to be slightly dressy, you wear wedges. So you can really control a shift dress in so many different ways that it's very versatile.
And a shift dress actually looks great with or without any accessories, So if you're feeling simple, don't wear any link chains, don't wear anything. If you're feeling a little bit fancy, you want to add shape to the shift dress, add a belt, under your on your waist, add some curves. It looks fabulous in every form. So today I've added a neck piece. It's a DIY. I made it myself with these few pom-poms that were lying at home, and I'm just wearing a basic stacked up and a big statement ring. That's it, and it's so simple, it's so comfortable, and it's so perfect for a fun gossipy coffee date with Jasleen.
Absolutely. Sonu was teasing me. I was feeling slightly more chicer. So I added this pearl bib. Actually, it's really old. I haven't been wearing it for the longest time, but I just pulled it out today because of the weather. I think I just felt like dressing up like that, and I wore a nice bracelet also with a mint green in it. So my whole look is very green and white, just based on two important colors, and I finished it off with nude wedges. So I'm keeping it very pastel and light today.
And I'm actually the other end. I'm keeping it a little more dark with a few pops of yellow and pink with my jewelry, but my colors are pretty much matching the monsoon season this time.
So yeah, that's all I think we have for a nice coffee date with your friends, and keep watching us.
Thanks for watching us.
Thank you.